Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter your model number of your graphic card. Go for RTX 3060 Ti Gaming OC Pro 8G. After that click on the product. Now you can three graphic card you can see here 2.0, 1.0, 3.0. So all the driver and installations process same. Select which is using. If you don't know, so you can select any but driver you can see it is same. Then click on support. Select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Windows 10, 7, 11 all. So this is NVIDIA and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can click on download, it is started and it will take a time 4 to 5 minutes depending about your internet. After completed, then click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.